Do not!
Oh my God, Jess.
Do not be laughing at me right now.
Revenge is mine.
Oh no, that is not fair.
Turnabout is fair play, my good lady.
I just scared you. I didn't soak you.
Hey, I will do everything in my power to
Don't deal what you can't take.
You better get cooking.
do not underestimate my culinary chops.
What is that?
It's an elk.
I'm not sure I want to know.
It's an elk dying. It's a hot, steamy pile of meat.
Damn.
It's horrible.
Gee, I don't think he's gonna make it.
Kill it. You've killed every animal so far.
Okay, bud. Hey. I'm gonna make this quick for you, okay?
Oh, no.
Okay, okay. Geez, how do I,
I can't watch this.
okay. Ah! Ah!
Mike, what did you do?
What the fuck? It came up. Ah! Ah!
Ah! Ah!
Run!
Oh
Run!
my God, what the hell was that?
I don't know!
Oh, there's a bridge! Over here! Mike! Get over here!
It's a bear! It's gotta be a bear! On! We gotta go!
I am! Mike, get the key! Get it open! Oh my God! That was close. What?
Had it under control. Whole time.
Oh, bullshit.
No, 100%. 110.
Definitely did.
Holy crap, I feel like I just ran a marathon.
I think we kinda did.
Was it a bear?
Yeah,
Of course.
gotta be.
It's gotta be a bear.
Things are crazy fast.
I mean, I didn't see it.
Hey, things not gonna come barging in, I promise.
How can you be sure?
Cause I'm pretty sure bears don't know how to open cabin doors.
They
I've seen them
definitely
open car doors
What? Where?
on the internet.
Really? Okay, well, this isn't the internet, Jess. Right? This is real life. And I promise you that no bear or anything else is gonna open that cabin door.
I
Bears
guess
open
you're
doors.
right. Okay. I'm almost feeling relaxed again. Almost.
do. Oh, no.
Huh.
Power's out.
Typical. Urgh. This is not the cozy chalet I was promised, Mike.
Yeah, it's a bit drafty or something, right?
Well, there is a fireplace.
Well, we don't need a fire to heat things up.
Michael,
Yes, you do.
I am a lady, and a lady needs a proper romantic setting.
Okay.
A lady would like to cuddle up with her man by a nice cozy fire bathed in atmospheric mood lighting.
Just
Right.
go
It'll
get
get plenty
the
toasty
fire.
once we're rubbing up against each other.
Mike,
Yeah.
fire and mood lighting.
Gosh, she's
Yes. My lady.
Doobie-doobie-doo. Here's the fire.
Now,
There we go.
this'll take care of the mood lighting.
Come on. Let there be a badger. Or a wolverine. Whatever it was.
All right, logs are ready to go. Just need a match.
Come on. Native American myths and legends. Oh, look, a bear.
Looks like we weren't the only ones to meet the friendly neighborhood terror bears.
A
That
ward
does
for
not
spell
make me
protecting
feel any
against evil
better.
spirits.
Oh, Jess, look at this.
Is it a fire?
No, way cooler.
Yeah, point at her.
Freeze!
I am freezing.
Put your hands over your head.
I'm gonna smack you on the head if you don't stop pointing that thing at me.
You resisting arrest?
What if that thing is loaded?
Oh, that's a good point.
Michael!
What?
Put it down!
Come on, Mikey. Go get some fireworks.
Yes, ma'am. Nothing to see here. Move along.
Jeez. Place it. Oh no, she dropped her phone.
Shit. Fuck. Mike!
What?
Ugh, crap.
What?
Where is it?
What? What's wrong?
Gone. It is gone, okay?
Jess, slow down. What is gone?
My freaking phone, Sherlock.
Can't find it?
Crap. No. I must have dropped it outside.
It's probably in the water.
Shit.
I can't lose my phone. My parents will kill me.
You can always get a new one.
That's like my fourth one this year.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'll have you look for it.
It's gotta be outside.
Yeah, I don't think we want to go out there right now with the bear. Or whatever it is.
Evil spirit. Pick up the
Fine.
matches. They're right there. Pick up the
I just wish you hadn't gotten me completely soaking wet trying to scare me. Kind of a dick move.
I'm sorry, Jess.
Probably fell out in the water and doesn't even work anymore anyway, so whatever.
Hey, I'll make it up to you. I promise.
Watch there only be one match left.
Looky, looky. Who's gonna fire up some nookie?
You've been dying to use that line since we got here, haven't you?
Yep, one match. Of course.
Man 1, fire 0.
She even put a
Very
fire
nice.
starter on mine.
Bravo.
It was instantaneous.
All right, my lady. What comes next?
I think... Well, I wish we had some booze.
Well, if I'd have known that ahead of time.
I don't know, I'm
You would have dropped
kind
it.
of... I'm not feeling it. Yet.
Am I doing something wrong?
Oof.
No,
Killed the
no,
mood.
no, no. I mean,
Killed the mood.
I thought you were one way, but you're kind of another way. Does that make sense? It's not your fault.
Jess?
She doesn't like his personality.
I really like you. Whoever you think I am, well, just give me a chance, and I will show you what you need.
Well, I am liking your confidence. Mike, the shutters.
Oh, my
What about them?
God.
Close them, please?
There's just no one out there.
I feel like someone's watching us. I
It's Josh
don't
watching
like
us.
it.
Jess, really, it's fine.
I really don't like it.
Okay, shutter it is.
And jump scare out the window. You can still
huh? Shutters are shuttered. Now, where were we?
There's still a window at the door.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think I'm a little freaked out, and it's hard for me to, like, keep this up, and...
What? Keep what up?
Look, I act all super confident and like a total sexy babe and everything, but underneath, I gotta be honest, I'm really kind of insecure.
Oh, so she can have two personalities and he can't? Double standard.
Jess, you've got to be kidding me.
What?
You have nothing to be insecure about.
Oh, you have no idea.
Sure I do. You're just like me and everyone else. We're all insecure. But you know how to handle yourself. You might call it a front, but it's real.
Yeah, I guess I do.
Yeah. And that's super fucking hot.
Really?
Yeah, hell yeah it is.
Come here. Maybe
surprised
I
she
know
doesn't
how to
have
handle
frostbite
you too.
I am definitely ready to be handled.
Giggity. Told you, just like see through those windows.
Mike? What is that?
I don't know.
Okay, well, go find out now, please.
The bear. Grab the gun. Grab the gun. It's her cell phone. 100% it's her cell phone. It sounds like her cell phone. She's charging.
It's your phone.
What? How is it my phone?
I don't know, it
That's
just
definitely not spooky.
came through the window.
Oh, for fuck's sake, god damn it!
What?
Those goddamn assholes probably followed us out here to fuck with us, and just when we were getting down to business. Hey! Yeah, pricks! That means you! I know you're out there! The fuck are you trying to do? You wanna ruin our fun that bad? Well, guess what? You can't! You can't ruin our good time, because Michael and I are gonna fuck! That's right, we are going to have sex, and it's gonna be hot! So enjoy it, because I know we're going to!
They are all friends.
Give me a break!
That's what she gets.
Do you really think the girls were communicating with us?
I don't know. I don't know if I wish they were or if I wish they weren't.
I guess we should find out.